Hi y'all, this is Ranger Jonah with DeKalb County. I'm right here at Mason Mill Park in the middle of a plant monoculture. Monoculture, which you can probably guess from the word, means just one kind of thing living here. And that's not exactly true, because around me, above the monoculture, is a beautiful forest. There's beech trees and hickory, pawpaws, and even a couple varieties in the blueberry family. But down on the forest floor, you might recognize this. This is English ivy and is a thick carpet on the forest floor. So here's what I want to show you: how a monoculture can go from being just one primary plant to something that's been restored. Come along, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, this area of Mason Mill Park, between the boardwalk that leads to North Druid Hills Road and the Mason Mill Dog Park, is a hilltop that I've been calling the Labyrinth Trail, but we've recently given it a new name. This hilltop has been covered with a blanket of English ivy for a long, long time, but recently a really dedicated group of volunteers has been working on restoring this area of the forest, starting right here. Can you tell the difference? Well, first of all, to an untrained eye, you might say, well, Ranger Jonah, it went from green to brown. How do you think that is a restored forest? Well, you're right. In the wintertime, English ivy is oftentimes one of the only green things that you'll see, until you begin to look a little closer and find that hidden underneath the English ivy were lots and lots of wildflowers, including this wild ginger. And when we remove that monoculture layer of English ivy and restore the forest floor to what it, might have looked like before the English ivy, what we're going to allow is this coming spring to have those wildflowers like trillium and like the ginger, cranefly orchid, wood aster, etc., to have an environment where they won't have to compete with the English ivy, which shades out all the sunlight for all the other plants. And so now I leave you sitting in this much less green, but much healthier forest floor, still surrounded by the mature trees and the many different species of shrubs, but now allowing, without the English ivy here, allowing for the wildflowers to thrive this coming spring. I hope you'll come to Mason Mill and check out the differences that you see in each season. This is Ranger Jonah with DeKalb County, signing off.